Hello everyone. I hope all this while you have been practicing well to master the skills because it's all about Vedic math is all about developing your skill. So more you practice, more you will be well versed with this skill. And this is going to help you a lot, no matter in which field you want to excel, because math is integral part of all learning that is happening or going to happen in your life. So today we are going to see in the series of 111, we did multiplication with 11, 111, 1011, and furthermore you can do. Now we are seeing, today we are going to learn how same thing can be done with 12 and how different it is. So this rule is applicable from 12 to 19, that is 112 to 119, 1112 to 1119 as well. Now here you can see the example. 46 multiplied by 12. This is very simple, no striking off and all. Yes, this will be combination of multiplication and addition. So first number 6, I'm multiplying with 2 and I get 12. I write 2 here, 1 is carryover. Now what happens is I multiply 4 with 2 and add 6. So 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, and 1 carryover makes it 15. I write 5 here, 1 carryover again, and 4, there's nothing to add, so 4 remains 4, plus 1 makes it 5, so I write 552. Now let's simplify it further. We'll go on white screen, and we are going to solve the problem there. So here we are on whiteboard. And what we are trying to do is we are trying to multiply 56 with 13, because 12 we already saw in the example, and we are going to solve this together. I want you to be ready with pen and paper so that you can do this sum along with me. Right. Now let me just change this, and here we are. What is the first step? The first step is 6 threes are 18. We write 8 here, and here we go. We write carry over 1. Now 5 threes are 15. 15 and 1, 16. 16 and 6 is 22. For 22, I'm going to write 2 and then carry over 2. Now third step is 5. 5 plus 2 makes it 7. So your answer is going to be 728. Isn't it easy? You don't have to buy hard table of 13, 14, 15. No need to do that. Now let's see one example of 3-digit number. So here I'll take number 357. 1 second, I did not take the text box. Here I am. So 357 is multiplied by say 114. How we are going to do this? It's very, very easy. I know you don't know the table of 114. So there is different way to make it easy, and that easy way is I'm going to explain right now. Yes. Now let me change this. Here I am. The first step, as you know, 7 4s are 28. So we write 8 here and 2 carry over. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 7 makes it 27. 27 and 2 makes it 29. I write 9 here, and I write 2 again as carry over and strike off this. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 and 2, 14. 14 and 5 is 19. 19 plus 27 makes it 26. So I write 6 here, 2 again carry over, and I'll strike off this, or let me just erase it. So yes. Now what happens? We have 2 carry over and 7, the multiplication part is over. Now we are going to add 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 twos are 16. So I'll write 3 plus 5 is, sorry, we are not going to multiply. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And I'm going to write here 0. I'll strike off this, and I have 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. This is what your answer is. When we multiply 3, 5, 7 into 114, the answer is going to be 40698. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it's very easy, and in one line you get the answer, children. It's very easy, and anyone who practices this can do it anywhere. This helps you solve mental maths. Okay, I'll stop the screen here. Here you have, let me share once again. Yes. Here we have sums for practice. In all my videos, you must have noticed I keep repeating that when you sit for practice, please sit with your timer so that you can time your work as well as accuracy. In 10 minutes time, if you have solved all these sums and it's correct, that means you need to work on your speed to make it a little more faster, because it's not going to take more time and it's very, very easy thing to do. Now let's move ahead and see what kind of sums we have. Here you have some practice sums. You can see how I have given you example of 114. So here is example of 112. What I'm doing here, let me explain you once again. 6 2s are 12, so I write 2 here. Then I have 1 carryover. Now 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2 plus 6 makes it 8, and 1 carryover is 9, so I write 9 here. Now 9 2s are 18. What am I doing here? 9 2s are 18. 18 and 1 19. 19 and 6 makes it 25. That's why you see the next number written as 25. So 5 is written 2 carryover. Now 9 and 1 10, 10 and 2 12. So I have written 2 here and 1 carryover. Now I have 9, 9 and 1 carryover. 9 is here and 1 carryover makes it 10. So the answer is written 102592. This is how you can calculate and practice this. So as and when you feel that you need to practice, please pause the video and do it now only. If you keep the work for later, you may forget, or you tend to become lazy. You feel like, oh, I understood the concept and I can do it later. But that does not let you practice then and there. And because of that, you may not practice well. So to avoid all these things, when you are watching this video, please be ready with your pen, paper, color, pencil, everything, and keep doing it. Finish it then and there. You have a facility to pause the video and then practice. Let me move to next slide. Here is one example of 117. Now what happens here? We multiply 7 into 7 is 49. I write 9 here, 4 carry over. Next step is 4 multiplied by 7. 4 7s are 28. 28, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 7 makes it 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. And I write 9 here. I have 3 carry over. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. 60 plus 7 is 67. 67 plus 3 is 70. So I write 0 here and 7 carry over. Now 8 plus 4 makes it 12. 12 and 7 is 19. So I write 9 here, 1 carry over. 8 and 1 carry over makes it 9. So if you multiply 847 with 117, you are going to get 99099 as your answer. With this, I end my today's video, and I hope, children, you will keep practicing with the video and not later. Thank you, children. Happy learning, and keep enjoying your Vedic math classes. I'll see you again with new concept. Till then, take care. Bye.